many techniques to teach you English. I have many examples to make you learn. Have you noticed what am I using here? Yes, friend, I am using the word have in both the sentences. Friends, today we are going to learn all about the word have. What are the uses of this word? And it is very simple word. You can use it in your daily routine. By the end of this lesson, I really think that you will be more confident to use this word. Let's start. First, when we want to talk about some possession or relationships, we can use this word. I have a house in Italy. Here, in this example, I have some property in Italy and this house is in the name of me. So, you can use this word have when you want to talk about which you have. You have the possession. Like I have this watch, I have this pen, I have a car, I have a bungalow. So you can use this word when you are talking about the possession. Second, she has two sisters. When here we talk about the relationships, we can use this word. She has. Here has, we use the word has with the third person singular number. So here she, third person singular number, she has two sisters. So here we are talking about the relationships. So we can use when we want to talk about possession and relationships. Second, we can use this word with infinitive to. To infinitive. Do you want to have a drink? Here we use the word have with to. It is interrogative sentence and we can use the word do to ask someone. Do you want to have a drink? It is offer. Do you want to have something? Do you want to have tea or coffee? So you can use this word with infinitive. With ing form, we can use the word have with ing form. Let's see the example. I find having. Here I am using ing with have. I find having no car inconvenient. Friends, I find having no car inconvenient. So it is very clear that we can use the word have with ing form. The third one is after modal verb. We can use the word have after modal verb. I won't have that old bike much longer. I am getting a new one. Here, want. It is I won't have. It is modal verb. And have. We are using have after want. After modal verb. I won't have that old bike much longer means I am not interested in old bike much longer and I am getting a new one. So after modal verb we can use the word have. The last one, present perfect tense. We can use the word have with present perfect tense. In present perfect tense we use the action verb in the third form. Third past participle form of the verb. I have worked at IBM for years. Present perfect tense means any activity or action which has started in the past tense and it is continued till now. So we can use this word. I have worked at IBM for years means I am still working. I am still working at IBM. So I have started working at IBM and I am continue working in this company at IBM. So friends, it is the word have. You can use it, has multi-purpose uses, and you can use in these way. So if you have started the word have, it's very good. If you didn't use this word and you are not using this word, please, I request you to start these words. Friends, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come up with the new lesson. Till then, take care.